When we thought about the topic living space, the first thing that came to our mind is the common space shared by our lives, the one and only Earth. We edited a video to show you what happened to the Earth. Let's watch.
It's like something out of science fiction. Unsettling transformations are sweeping across the planet. And clue by clue, investigators are assembling a new picture of Earth. They suspect we've entered a time of faster global change than any human being has ever witnessed.
These human-induced alterations occupying overall less than a millionth of the elapsed lifetime and seemingly occurring with one array speed.
Its first squeeze has population growth, of course.
Each of us now produce more than 1,500 pounds of trash a year.
Colonies of sea mammals are getting smaller, made vulnerable by urbanization of the coasts and pollution.
When we divert rivers without considering the consequences, then sometimes rivers no longer reach the
Biodiverse, low nutrient, hard coral systems, and the multiple pressures of overfishing, unstable tourism, climate change, a trigger, and the system tips over, loses its resilience, soft corals take over, and we get an undesired system that cannot support economic and social development.
Considering the huge problems of our living space, we designed this immersive VR game to raise awareness for environmental protection. The game is called All Lives, One Earth. First, choose a character. The three Earths in this museum stand for the past, present, and future of the Earth.
Now we enter the past Earth. Say hello to our friend Pony.
Although fish and elephant might also be interesting, we choose the bird's wheel for this round.
Look at our fellow birds. Now we enter the present Earth. It's Shanghai. It seems that birds are doing great in the present. They feel free and are happily flying around. In this game, the bird's mission is to collect branches for survival. Now our health point goes up. However, on the other side of the city, animals are being imprisoned in the zoo. Look at our friend Pony. He looks sad. Now we enter the future Earth. In 2080, the ecosystem had collapsed and Shanghai becomes an unlivable city. Wait, is that Pony? No, my friend! We see some animals, but only to discover that they are just posters on the wall. They must be dead long ago.
Through the eyes of animals, we hope that the human players could sympathize with other creatures on this earth. After all, we need to share this planet with all lives. We made this game in both Unity and Twinmotion. You are welcome to experience our game in both modes. That's all. Thank you.